Hi, my name is Christina Kelman and I'm a certified organic vegetable grower in beautiful downtown Wallachia. So with my mum and dad, we farm on just over 26 hectares off the Nepean River. We grow predominantly outdoor crops, but we also do about 2 acres under greenhouse production. We've been pretty much chemical free and then certified organic since the beginning. I think it's really always aligned with our values. Mum was always against using chemicals on vegetables and Dad couldn't really handle the smells. And so it's really important when we choose to work with sprays in order to grow our crops that we're picking something that is natural, that's going to be safe around my parents, but also safe for the environment, safe for our farm and as well our customers. In organic growing, weed control is extremely important, and when it gets out of control can be quite expensive and can lead to a lot of other problems when it comes to pests and diseases and also a lack of yield. So that's why we use slasher in with our strategies. It doesn't leave any residues, so it's really important, especially when you're on a tight timeline and you want to get in there for seeding. So yeah, I think that as an organic grower, we need more tools in the toolbox, so I'd recommend you give slasher a go.